Welcome guys, today's video review of the top 5 best incline treadmills. If you are looking for the best incline treadmills, you are in the right place. There are many products available to choose from the best incline treadmills, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the top 5 best incline treadmills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmills. The NordicTrack T-Series treadmills are made with innovative designs and expert engineering. The treadmill comes with a personal coaching experience that allows you to make your workout enjoyable. It comes with an HD screen that allows you to watch any video while working out. You get heart-pounding studio workouts and trainer-guided workouts around the guide. The treadmill has Flex Select cushioning that allows you to engage dampeners to soften the impact on your joints. The joint-friendly cushion also stimulates a real road running experience with a single turn. It also has a 2.6 chp continuous horsepower that allows you a tougher, faster exercise session. Check out this review for a closer look at NordicTrack T-Series treadmills. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill Black. The XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill combines quality and performance for a great exercise session. The treadmill is designed specifically for the home environment and gives you a lot of flexibility while using it. It has incorporated numerous thoughtful features that are developed with the performance and comfort of the user in mind. The treadmill comes with a 5 inches LCD console to track your exercise speed, time, distance, calories, and pulse. The direct access speed keys allow you to preset speed settings for fast and easy control. It also has an extra soft cushion deck that provides multiple points of cushioning for maximum impact absorption. The treadmill has 3 manual incline settings for maximum flexibility. Number 3. Schwinn 810 Treadmill. The Schwinn 810 treadmill is an affordable, indoor treadmill. It is designed to keep you active. The treadmill features a backlit LCD display that provides a superior experience. It comes with 16 different workout programs to help you achieve your fitness goals. The treadmill has a 20x 55 inches running belt that comes with a SoftTrack cushioning system. The cushioning system absorbs impact and allows you for a smooth run. The space-saving treadmill has soft drop folding technology and can be stored easily. The equipment has an Explore the World app that allows you to run around the world from the comfort of your home. The treadmill is equipped with a water bottle holder, USB charging ports, and transport wheels. It comes with a 10% incline level. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill offers adjustable features including 9 built-in workout programs, handrail controls, and a phone, tablet holder. These add comfort and accessibility during any workout routine. The soft drop system of the treadmill assists you while opening the treadmill and avoids damage to the floor. The treadmill comes with an LCD screen that tracks your speed, time, distance, pulse, and calories burned. This makes it easy to track your fitness goals. The handrail has built-in buttons that are used to start, stop, and adjust your speed during your workouts. The user-friendly and convenient treadmill comes with 3 different incline levels to personalize your workout intensity. Number 5. Lifespan Fitness Treadmill. The Lifespan Fitness Treadmill is a lightweight equipment. The treadmill has a 56 inches x 20 inches running surface and can perfectly handle any kind of exercise. The deck is supported by 8 compression shock absorbers. These provide safe, responsive cushioning for your knees, joints, and back. The equipment utilizes a hydraulic shock to assist in folding and unfolding the treadmill. It has a touch display with a full-color touchscreen console. The handrails include console buttons for easy changes of speed and incline. The impact-reducing treadmill has 38 fitness-inspiring workouts and built-in Bluetooth connectivity. This treadmill is an affordable and feature-rich option for a low-impact workout experience to help you achieve your fitness goals while minimizing the stress on your joints. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you need more information or if you want the product price, please do check out the description. Thank you.